These watches demonstrate the hypocrisy of many people. How many times have you heard the phrase, "I'm not going to pay money for a plastic watch," when we were talking about the Moonswatch? But suddenly, these watches arrive and everyone loves them. It's a reality that the market is changing and plastic has become a material that brands have found something different in. We have the example of this, the D1 Milano, the Moonswatch, and also the Marie Lacroix Icon Tide, which are made of recycled plastic and they're even more expensive. But they have the plus that they are helping the environment. The criticism of the Moonswatch was that the design looks similar, or rather was identical to the Speedmaster. But really, do you not see any resemblance of this watch to any other famous high-end watch? Are you sure? Now that we have highlighted the hypocrisy of many people, let's talk about the watch itself. D1 Milano is a brand that started to grow a lot here in Mexico a few years ago because their watches were different, they had interesting materials, and honestly, they look pretty cool. But a lot of you asked me for my opinion, so here it goes. If there's something that stands out about this watch, it's undoubtedly the design. Sure, it reminds us of another watch, but the ones that I have here have a cartoon-like detail with that contouring around the angles, and it looks really good. These are the specifications of the watch, but basically the entire body of the watch is made of a material called polycarbonate, or polycarbon as it says on the dial, which, let's be honest, is plastic. It has a mineral crystal with blue anti-reflective coating, and the movement is a Seiko quartz movement. The price of this watch is just under $250, which, if you ask me, is pretty close to the price of the Moonswatch. The difference between these watches is that this one can be opened and can be repaired. And I would dare say the polycarbonate bracelet is much more comfortable than the Velcro strap of the Moonswatch. Now, I think this is a watch that is not made for people who are into watches, much like you could say about the Moonswatch. It is a watch for those who like style, who want to look different, to have interesting things, because that's exactly what it is. A curious watch made from different materials with a cool design, where the people who are buying it aren't focused on the type of movement or the material used. They are literally buying it because it looks cool. And I think that is the best thing about this watch. Because while many people spend time criticizing plastic watches and saying they're just toys, there's a world of people who buy these watches simply because they look cool. They buy 2 or 3, enjoy them, mix them with their outfits, and use them for what they are meant for, to look different, and that a unique touch to how people seem and appear. I think those of us in the watch community could learn a lot about this mentality, enjoying the watch regardless of its price, materials, or the name on the dial, whether it's quartz or mechanical movement. If you like it, enjoy it, because you're literally the one buying it. I think many collectors base their collections solely on what others will say and on how much it costs, how much money you have, and how much money you have earned. And I believe this watch runs completely counter to that notion. But tell me, what do you think? Would you buy one?